Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and in this Qlik Cloud Feature update, you will learn about our new navigation menu, support for section access in Insight Advisor Chat, new field level lineage, and the ability to land data to Snowflake from a number of cloud-based data sources using hybrid data delivery. This release includes the first in a series of updates to the Qlik Cloud Hub that will simplify navigation and make content easier to find. The first phase introduces a new left side panel that contains the Home, Catalog, and Collections menu areas. The new location of these menu items allows users to easily navigate their respective content. Additionally, in the Catalog section, users can now access a more prominent Spaces filter to easily explore and locate Spaces content. Insight Advisor Chat now supports apps that use section access, also known as dynamic data reduction, providing data security to your conversational analytics, making it available to a broader set of customers, including enterprises who utilize section access for data governance. Field level lineage enhances our current catalog capabilities by delivering what we call explainable BI, the concept that users have confidence in the data they are using to make decisions by providing an understanding of the information's origin. We expanded our lineage capabilities to not only visually show data history by table, but also show the specific field within a table, starting with the end-user application all the way back to the original source. In addition, when users explore an app, they can now quickly access a data lineage summary that traces back any dimensions and measures within a chart to their original source. This makes it easier for any user to get an explanation of where the data came from within a chart. Finally, we have expanded our hybrid data delivery service to load analytics-ready data from a number of cloud-based data sources directly to Snowflake, without the need for Qlik Replicate. The initial update currently allows you to connect to data from over 20 cloud-based data sources, such as Amazon Redshift, Google BigQuery, and Salesforce, to name a few, and land it directly to a Snowflake target on a scheduled basis, so it can be used in your analytics applications, offering a single solution for on-prem and cloud data movement and replication. Thanks for taking the time to watch this feature update. For more information and helpful demonstrations on these features, please refer to our additional resources posted along with this video. Take care.